For yesterday's science lesson, you guys watched a video on push and pull and then completed a short activity. So today we're going to read a book on push and pull and then complete another activity. So the title of our book is Push and Pull by Emily Dawson. Our first page here is a table of contents. So this book has a table of contents which shows us what is in this book and where we can find the information. So you can see it's labeled pushing and pulling, page 4, picture glossary, page 20, ideas for parents and teachers, page 22, experimenting with push and pull, page 23, index and websites, page 24. So we're only going to be focusing on the first half of the book, but if you were looking for something specific, a table of contents can help you find exactly what you're looking for. All right, so you cannot see forces, but you can see what happens when forces are at work. Kevin uses his body to push Ethan in the cart. So as you can see here, this is Kevin, and he is using his arms and his legs, and he is pushing away from himself. Some forces are push forces. Sam uses his legs to push the pedals of the bike. So it's a picture here showing you that he is pushing. So that is going away from his body. Some forces are pull forces. Ava pulls herself across the monkey bars. So pull, it's coming toward her. Cassie pushes the merry-go-round to make it spin. The faster she pushes, the faster it spins. Jacob walks his dog Max. Max pulls on his leash to sniff a tree. Jacob pulls Max back. Ava walks to her aunt's house. She pushes her baby stroller sister in the stroller. Josie and her mom go to the farmer's market. Josie pulls the fruits and the vegetables in her wagon. Layla pushes her legs and then pulls the swing to go back and forth. Pushing and pulling forces move the swing. So pushing and pulling forces move the swing back and forth. So if you look at our picture glossary, just three that I would like to talk about. So a force is an action that changes how an object is moving. Okay, so for example, if you pull something forward or towards you. When you push, you press something away from you. So pull is toward you and push is away from you. So if we go back and look at these pictures, this girl is doing what? Is she pushing or pulling the wagon? She is pulling the wagon. Is Anna pushing or pulling the baby in the stroller? She is pushing. When Jacob is walking his dog, is he pulling Max back or is he pushing him? He is pulling. Cassie is doing what to the merry-go-round? Is she pushing it or pulling it? So if you look at the picture, is she pulling it toward her or is she pushing it away from her? Pushing. Next we have pull. So this picture, this one is a little bit confusing. So is she pushing the monkey bars away from her or pulling them? And I gave that one away already. She pulls them toward her. And our last one, Sam is riding his bike, and what is he doing to the pedals? Is he pushing the pedals away from him or pulling them toward him? He is pushing. So remember, there are two different types of forces that we talked about, push and pull. And push is going away from us, and pull is coming toward us.